In a business where brands normally want to stand out both in aesthetics and performance, Ovation guitars are one of the pioneers. They've done just that from the very beginning, and they held that line for 60 years. Welcome to Gordon Guitar and to another episode of Gordon Gear, where I highlight my guitar-related gear. With a new guitar from Ovation, let's take a quick look at the brand. The history of the brand is pretty remarkable. Founder Charles Kamen developed the first prototypes of the Ovation guitars back in 1965. Kamen was an amateur guitarist from an early age, but he also worked on helicopter design as an aerodynamicist at United. Eventually, he founded a helicopter design company called Kamen Aircraft. In the early 1960s, however, financial problems from the failure of its commercial flight division forced it to expand into new markets as developing guitars. From 1966 to 2007, Ovation guitars were a brand of KMC Music Corporation, which itself was a subsidiary of Kamen Aircraft. In 2008, KMC Music Corp, and with that the Ovation brand, was sold to Fender. Later in 2014, it was announced that the Ovation brand has been sold to the company Drum Workshop. And in 2020, the German-based Geva company acquired the brand and assets of Ovation from Drum Workshop, and there we are today. So, that's the history in short. Let's dive into the aesthetic parts and the signature bow-like body of Ovation. Kamen used his knowledge of high-tech aerospace composites and developed Lyrachord, a patented material comprising interwoven layers of glass, filament, and bonding resin. So he developed a substance that could be molded into this bow-like shape. Compared to modern Ovation guitars, the initial instruments had a shiny bowl. And in the 1980s, Ovation introduced shallow bowl guitars to appeal to electric guitarists. Glenn Campbell, who became one of Ovation guitar's first endorsers, suggested reducing the weight of the guitar, which he had discovered caused back strain. After that, Ovation reduced the weight of several models and introduced the super shallow guitar bodies. So this body has obviously gone through some transformations, and Ovation have this body now in different sizes. I'm playing the model called Celebrity Traditional Plus Limited 2024. I will come back to the Limited 2024 part soon, but first just a quick comment about the Celebrity line. Celebrity models are imported from either China or Korea, and they range from entry to medium level with laminated top models to high-end solid top models with much ornamentation. I really like this body. Maybe you can see from the back in this angle, you have this rounded body, and it's very nice to really lean into, especially if like me sitting down and play guitar. You can really grab it and get the control of it. And one thing that I really appreciate as well is the quality of the surface here. It feels like sandpaper almost, and it sits very good on your leg. And it's not slippery at all. Maybe it's hard for you to see on the cam there, but we have a portion that is resting on your leg, and that part is extra sticky, and it makes a huge difference to really get your guitar on place. So great there, Ovation. I choose the beautiful blue American flamed maple top, and wow, it just pops really well, this finish. Every year, Ovation releases a special limited edition, and for 2024, that's this Celebrity right here. A special staining process and a blue burst finish created especially for this edition are used to further emphasize the beautiful grain of the wood. We have a smooth NATO neck, which is close to mahogany wood. We have an oven-cold bonding on the fretboard and bridge. The tuners here are great on that typical Ovation headstock with that special look that you either love or hate. Traditional sound hole with an abalone rosette, and also the abalone position markers with that special marker here on that 12th fret. Inside we have a great preamp from Ovation. It's the Ovation OP4 CT with that tuner on the side here that really works great. The sound of this guitar, I would say, is leaning more to the brighter side with a clear tone, more than a heavy, thick and deep sound. Let's listen to it. nice, very crisp and bright sound, but still some depth coming from this big body with a rounded back. An overall great guitar, very easy to play, balanced string action, and a well-built guitar with a certain look, and I love that look. Great work, Ovation. And this guitar actually deserves a standing ovation. Okay, maybe not necessary. This guitar sits right around that $700 mark, and that is actually a reasonable price for a guitar of this level. So to summarize the strong points here, I really love the look of it, and of course that is a personal preference, but I think it's very original. You can instantly see that this is an Ovation guitar with the headstock and the rounded back and everything. And speaking of the rounded back, I just love that. I don't have any sharp edges leaning on my body like this. It's very comfortable. And this material that we have here connecting with my leg, very smart there, Ovation. So it's very easy to play this guitar, and what else can you ask for? So this Blue Beast, it will be a member of Gordon Guitar from now on, and it will blast some great tutorials. Hope you enjoyed this episode, guys, of Gordon Gear. Thank you for watching, and until next time, like always, play tuned.